So that would be it. You all can ask your friends to join in so that we can start off soon and end quickly. We'll be starting like in 5 minutes. So everyone here done with their exams?
Us first years will be having it on the 25th semesters.
Oh, okay. Well, second year is like we are done with our semester. So we are pretty chill right now.
That's great. And what about Viva? Did you guys have Viva practicals?
Yeah, yeah, we just finished with that.
Cool.
Yeah. Yes, all the very best for your exams.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I guess we can start off then. Can you all see me? Yes, you all can see me. Am I audible?
Yes, we can see and hear you.
Good. Feel like a teacher now with all these online like classes and all of that. Anyways, okay, let's get started with the presentation. Uh, you all must have seen that I had put up this quote by Mahatma Gandhi, very famous one. That is to be the change you wish to see in the world. So, like with this thought, we every day we often like come across so many problems that we wish to like think, oh, this, how can we help to change or bring a change in this problem? Like any kind of problems. Problems range from like having, say, potholes on streets to even global problems like climate change. So, and we as engineers, especially, all have to acquire the skill to understand, identify problems, first of all, and then get solutions to them. So, we can play an important role in getting change in this world. But how? We are students right now, and how can we put in our step forward to bring a change that can help our community, our society? So, that is where like we have different also like we all know about problems like climate change, education, water, sanitation, and all of that. So we are all aware of problems, but when it comes to actually doing something for it, we tend to hesitate or we don't know how to start off with that. So for that reason, we have the solution challenge. Now, Solution Challenge is a contest organized by Google developers, student clubs across the world, wherein students like you and me come together and bring solutions to problems which concern us. So, like for example, for this year, uh, the Solution Challenge 2022 will be focusing on the UN's 17 goals that are prescribed. So, as a participant, we have to select one of the UN 17 goals as our problem statement and work towards it and find a solution. There are 17. To start off with, we have no poverty. So, the goal for no poverty is that we eradicate extreme poverty by 2030. So maybe we build a project that helps us, say a website that helps us in accepting donations from across the world. Next, we have zero hunger. For zero hunger, the goal is to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. So, maybe a project which was made previously was on an automated pollinator monitoring. Then, good health and well being. So, for good health and well being, the goal is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So there was this project that helped in suggesting to the user which what fun games or workouts they can try out through special education and physiotherapy. So they developed an app for that. Next, we also have quality education. So, for quality education, the goal is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So, maybe an app where it addresses career guidance, converting skills to actual careers. Then, gender equality. Gender equality, obviously, it is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. And for clean water and sanitation, the goal is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. So there was this interesting project which help people to find water resources closest to them using Google Maps. So this way there are I'll just show you all. There are 17 such. One second. There are 17 such goals prescribed by the UN, and those you will find on the website, the 2022 Solution Challenge. So, here under the UN 17 goals, we have all of them: no poverty, zero hunger, health, education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, and along with them, all these other very important problems that do need a solution. So here you would find like, for suppose you are interested in finding a solution to climate action. So you can find out why it matters, what are the data in real time related to that issue, and also like projects which have been made under these till now. That is, so these are the goals. So you can choose any one or more of these and work on that. So to start to work for you all to help to get started, there are resources also. So under resources, to start off, if you all have no idea absolutely how to go about it, there are intro videos provided where you'll get an overview of how solution challenges have been conducted before, and different projects also of previous years, past challenge event videos. You can have a look at it. You will get a clear idea of how things go about. Then uh, also, so to go ahead with making your project, you will need technologies. So Google provides these very interesting and user-friendly technologies. There are 7 of them. One is Android Basics in Kotlin. Now, Kotlin is a cross-platform programming language used as an alternative to Java for Android app development. Then we have build apps using Flutter. You can build apps using Flutter. Flutter is an open source framework by Google for building like beautiful natively combined multiple platform applications from a single code base. Firebase is a platform used for creating mobile and web applications. It helps in optimizing your app experience. And we have more, that is program neural networks using TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source platform for machine learning specifically. You can design models that are trained to recognize platforms and patterns. Then you can enhance your Google Assistant by building actions for it. You can extend the functionality by using the software. Usually, you would be engaging with JavaScript for this. Then data engineering and analytics is basically data science cloud, where you analyze large data and unlock value from it. and web paths where you will get access to web tools which will enhance your web development. So to get started with any of these seven technologies, all you have to do is just click on. They have different pathways. Suppose I want to learn about Firebase, so I click on it, and here there are various pathways. You can choose any one of them. Say I want to develop locally with Firebase. So as you click into it again, you will have they will provide you with videos and a quiz by the end of it, where uh, where you get credibility for this particular pathway. By the end of it, once you finish, you will earn yourself a badge too. So this way, y'all can go ahead and explore all these technologies. And if you find that you can incorporate any of them in your project, it would be great. Then, so to start off with, once you have uh, what should your plan of action be? So for this contest, you will be needing to make a team. A team should have minimum 4 people. Uh, you can the yes, you can have 4 people in it. So once you have 4 people, you can start having conversations amongst your group about issues that concern you all the most, and which problem you all would like to resolve. Then you all can select a sustainable one of these 17 sustainable development goals by UN and stick to them. Once you have decided all that, you can register on the website itself. The registrations have opened. So you all can fill in the form and start off with your project. To start off, once you have identified your solution, that is, you are done with understanding your problem statement, you have to start focusing your objective, like what your app will be doing, and you can start brainstorming ideas and sketches of how your solution would be. The next stage would be like you can design the user interface. So for designing the user interface, you have to think about how the user would experience and interact with your solution. And then you have to start with the back end tech, which would be with the help of the resources I mentioned before. You can start off with the back end part of it. Once you're done building your project, you will have to need to test your solution. So by testing, you can collect feedback by showing your project to other students, family members, and friends. And get after you get your feedback, you can reiterate it on your project by polishing your design and getting it ready for the final demo. So once you are done and dusted with your project, you will have to make a video of it. You have to record a video of a successful demo, which would be maximum of 2 minutes long, and submit it using the form. The form would be available from 15th March. So the registrations are open now. You have to just go on the website, and the right on the homepage you'll find a register button. So you have to just click on that and fill in the form. Then from 15th to 31st of March, you'll have the time to actually work on your project and complete from head to tail everything. And by 31st March, you have to submit your video. That is a demo of your project. And then by July, mostly, we will be having the demo day. Now, what is the demo day? The demo day is once like all the participants have submitted their projects, they would get a chance. They would be judged on the criterias of like how your project is actually helping the problem you have chosen to resolve, and how well you have used technologies to actually get them done. So this way, once your projects will be judged, and as they judge it, they will come to the top 50 winners or so. And by the end of all the rounds, there will be top 3 winners. So all the top 3 winners will be given a chance to show off their projects during a live stream and meet and answer questions from the judges. Viewers also will be able to vote on a People's Choice winner, and the top 3 winners will be announced at the end of the event. This is like an entire event where the top winners would be showcasing their project. One of the projects which won last year was from India, and that is Eye of God. Now, this their project was very interesting, where they incorporated Google Assistant to help visually impaired people, navigate in day-to-day lives. So this is one of the projects, and it won it made its place in the top three. To show you all the awards, yeah. So once you're done with submitting your project, the top 50 teams will win a t-shirt, certificate, and mentorship from Googlers and other experts to improve and submit a solution for the top prize. Then the top 10 finalists win a cash prize of $1,000 per team member, swag, certificates, mentorship, and the top three win the $3,000 cash prize. So this way, the prizes are big and definitely for a very good cause too. So all you'll actually have to do, you whatever you need, you will find it on the website itself. The timeline also of how and when what will be happening. Like so, by July, we'll have the demo day. So starting from now, and this way you all can even check past winners' performances and what they had done. You know, yeah. So this is the Indian team, and one from Singapore and one from Philippines. So the point is that there is a lot of scope in this, and you all can be the next people who actually win something like this. It is it all depends on how convicted you are and how strongly you follow your passion. And with Google, this is possible because they are providing you all with all the technologies and uh, the best platform really to showcase your talents. So yes, that would be about the solution challenge. uh, any questions? If you all don't, okay, when's the last day for registration? The registrations have opened, so you can register like from between from the last day would be 31st, but that's the day when you submit your project. So anytime between now to yeah, 31st, you can, yes, you can start submitting your projects from 15th March. That's when that form will be open. Everything will be there on the website. If you all have any doubts, then you all can always connect with us. From you all can like just text on the community group as well, and we'll be happy to help.
One point I would like to mention is that when you form a team, it will be maximum of 4 members, and at least one of the members have to be from the college of the GDSC. So you can choose, like, since this is GDSC PCCE and you guys are students of PCCE, it makes it's fine. But you can also collaborate with students from other colleges. So try to make a team wherein you can uh, build bring in a lot of skills, like in a way so that everyone can contribute to your project, and that way you can get your solution more efficiently.
Yes. Yep. So yes, I guess that would be it. If you all don't have any other doubts, Just a small pointer for the upcoming sessions. You all can do remember to RSVP, like when we put up the uh, post, so that you all can get the meeting link uh, at on time, because that way you all will be recorded as you all have attended the session. So it just hardly takes like 2 seconds. So you all can just RSVP next time if you all haven't. Yep, I guess that's it. Thanks for joining in.
Thank you for joining in, guys, and all the best for your exams too.
Yep.